The graph shown below can be expressed as y equals tan of nx plus c, where n and c are elements of the real number set. Our job will be to state a suitable set of values for n and c. So as the position n is in affects the period, that's the first thing we're going to look at. So the period exists between any two of the asymptotes. So I'm going to consider the one between negative pi on 4 and pi on 4. So that means that our period is equal to pi on 2. That's the length of the interval of one cycle of the graph. However, we know that the period of any tan graph is equal to pi divided by n, where n is the coefficient of x here. So that means that we're going to solve the equation pi on n is equal to pi on 2. And quickly we can see that that will give n equals 2 as the appropriate value. So one of our values is n equals 2. Next, this position C is in the position of a translation of a graph. And for the standard graph y equals tan of x, its point of inflection goes through the origin. So what's happened is it's been moved down 1 unit. So that means that c equals -1 will result in that translation that we want to occur. So the suitable set of values of n and c is n equals 2 and c equals -1. And not that we're required to do this for this question, but that would give a rule of y equals tan of 2x minus 1 that describes this particular tan graph.